You've just bought your first crypto. The excitement is real, right? You're ready to dive headfirst into this new world of digital assets. But hold on, there's a small hurdle to cross before you can start trading: card verification. Ever wondered, how long does Coinbase take to verify a card? If you have, you're in the right place. Let's break it down. First things first, why does Coinbase even need to verify your card? Well, it's all about security. Crypto is serious business, and platforms like Coinbase want to make sure you're the rightful owner of the card you're using. It's like showing your ID to get into a club. You wouldn't want just anyone waltzing in, would you? So, how long does this verification process actually take? Unfortunately, there's no exact answer. Coinbase usually aims to verify cards within a few business days, but it can sometimes take longer. A number of factors can influence this timeline. Let's talk about those factors. The type of card you're using is one. Credit cards tend to be quicker to verify compared to debit cards. Why? Because credit card companies often have stricter security measures in place. Another factor is the information you provide. The more accurate and complete your details, the smoother the verification process will be. Missing information or typos can cause delays. So, double-check everything before hitting submit. Now, what if it's taking longer than expected? Don't panic. There are a few things you can do. First, check your email for any requests from Coinbase. Sometimes, they might need additional information from you. Second, take a look at your card's recent activity. If there are any suspicious transactions, it might flag your card for extra verification. And if all else fails, Coinbase has a support team. Don't hesitate to reach out to them. They're there to help. But let's talk about something important. While you're waiting for your card to be verified, it's crucial to prioritize security. Create a strong password for your Coinbase account, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of phishing scams. Your crypto is valuable, so treat it like it is. So, to sum it up, Coinbase card verification times can vary. Factors like card type, information accuracy, and potential security checks play a role. Be patient, provide accurate information, and prioritize security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.